Wood items can add warmth, natural beauty, and a rustic touch to home decor. Here are some popular wood items you can consider for your home. 1. Wooden wall art. Hang intricately carved wooden wall art or panels to add texture and visual interest to your walls. 2. Wooden shelves. Install wooden shelves to display books, plants, or decorative objects. Floating wooden shelves can create a minimalist and contemporary look. 3. Wood mirrors. Choose a wooden framed mirror to add a touch of elegance and bring the beauty of nature indoors. 4. Wooden furniture. Incorporate wooden furniture pieces such as tables, chairs, bed frames, or cabinets. Opt for different wood finishes and styles to suit your interior design. 5. Wooden photo frames. Display your favorite memories in wooden photo frames. You can find various styles, from simple to ornate, to match your decor. 6. Wooden sculptures. Place wooden sculptures or figurines on shelves or tabletops to add a unique artistic element to your space. 7. Wooden planters. Use wooden planters for indoor plants to create